Local business owners don't want marketing talk. They want tools they can actually use.
That's why pitching services first feels hard, and trust takes forever to build.
Everything sounds the same to them. Nothing feels instantly valuable.
But what if you stopped selling services and started offering a platform? Meet Local Toolkit Fortune, a done-for-you local business toolkit website. Launch it on WordPress in minutes. No coding, no design, no tech stress. It includes 10 essential free tools local businesses use every day.
QR codes, coupons, Wi-Fi cards, scripts, calculators, real tools, real value.
10 premium tools unlock through built-in payments when businesses want more.
No selling pressure. Upgrades happen automatically. No API keys. No ongoing software costs. Just install and run. Perfect for agencies, freelancers, consultants who want authority, not chasing. Usually $97 Palmy per dollars. Available today for just $27. Backed by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Zero risk. If you want businesses to trust you before you sell, check the link and start today.
The biggest challenge local agencies and freelancers face today isn't skill, it's trust. Local business owners hear the same promises every day: SEO, ads, social media, automation. To them, it all sounds the same, so they stop paying attention. And this is exactly where Local Toolkit Fortune changes the game. Local Toolkit Fortune is not just another software or service. It's a done-for-you local toolkit website that you can launch on WordPress in minutes, with no coding, no design skills, and no API keys required. Inside this website, you get 10 essential free tools that local businesses actually use every day. Tools like QR code generators, Wi-Fi card creators, coupon image generators, phone number formatters, script cleaners, and business date calculators. Business owners visit your site, use the tools, get instant value. And trust is built naturally, without any selling. Then comes the powerful part. Local Toolkit Fortune also includes 10 premium tools, such as a service area radius checker, ad strategy consultant, lead value calculator, holiday sales planner, and marketing prompt generators. These premium tools are connected to a built-in payment system, so upgrades happen automatically when users are ready.
No chasing clients.
No awkward sales calls. There's no client fulfillment, no monthly software fees, and no technical setup headaches. Everything works right out of the box. You also get step-by-step training, done-for-you website copy, a promotional video, and an outreach playbook to help you monetize the platform correctly. And right now, you can get everything for just $27, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want local businesses to trust you before you ever pitch a service, Local Toolkit Fortune is a smart, practical, and sustainable way to do it. Check the link below and launch your Local Toolkit website today.